how to create a Facebook story with the video. In order to do that, click right here on this camera icon, or you can also click on this add to story option. Now, in here, just locate the video that you want to actually use. So, for example, for me, I'll head over and then use this one. Now, from in there, you can just click on this share option. Alternatively, you can also add in here some stickers that you want to use. You can add your own avatar. You can trim that particular video. And you can also add in here some text or anything that you want to add for this one, like music, also effects. You can tag people right here. You can draw on this. And you can also add in here some captions. So this one is only available if you actually share right here our video. From there, click on the share option in order to share it. So that's how you create a Facebook story with a video. Hope we help.